parang yung bunganga mo. Natural disaster. Ano, tol? Kaya mo ba ako, tol?
Tapusin na natin to! Ano, tara! 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 Garbo ka, tara!
What's up, guys? Grabe, it's been a while. Yung mga videos na pinakita ko sa inyo, medyo payat pa ako noon. Tapos bata pa ako. Eh, ngayon, medyo nag-gain weight na tayo, no? Well, kasi siguro, kailan ba yung last post natin? 4 to 5 years siguro, no? Tapos yung mga post pa nun, like, very inconsistent pa. Like, 1 post a month lang yung ganun. So, grabe, ang tagal na talaga. Siguro yung mga viewers ko, yung iba sa inyo, nasa na, late 20s na ngayon, no? Early 30s, no? Tapos, yung iba sa inyo, kasal na, no? Married na, and then, baka nga iba pa, may anak na eh. so, kung nandun na kayo sa phase na yun, no? Congratulations. That's an achievement, it's a milestone, and you deserve it. Kung nandun ka na sa stage na yun, you deserve it. Dami ko rin naging milestones ngayon, no? One of my achievements was when I was away in YouTube is I got married, no? I'm a married man, and of course, I married the love of my life, Jackie. I'm sure you know her. Nakikita niyo siya sa mga videos before, or sa mga videos natin sa Air TV pa nun. So, yan. So, siya yung pang-asawa ko. And yeah, we're also having we're having a baby soon, so that's another milestone for us. And yeah. I never got to say this. No? Thank you sa inyo sa lahat ng 14,000 subscribers ko. Maraming salamat sa inyo. Thank you sa sinubaybayan nyo ako dati. No? Maraming salamat. I'm not sure if this video will reach all my subscribers. No? Pero sana, I'm hoping that this will reach all my subscribers. Why? Because this video is, I'm going to talk about bakit ako nawala and kung ano nangyari sa akin in the past few years. Grabe, sa sobrang tagal kong nawala, ginost ko yung YouTube, kaya ginost na rin ako ng YouTube. Pero sana balikan ako ng YouTube, no? Sana, I know it's going to be very hard, pero sana maibalik natin itong channel na to. One of the reasons, no, is that, well, life happened. Life struck me. I was getting older. I had to focus on different things. Siyempre, kinailangan ko ng stable income, no? Back then, siyempre, yung YouTube career ko, no? Wala naman akong stable income. Brands come and go. So, hindi siya every week or every month na yung brand. So, ang dami. Natatenga ako siguro mga 2 months, 3 months, 4 months, 5 months na walang brand, no? Walang brand deals, and si YouTube wasn't paying that much nung time na yun. So, you know, I had to get a stable job, or I had to do something that will get me a stable income. Isa pa sa mga reasons is napag-iwanan na ako. Naging inconsistent ako with posting. I did a lot of content, different types of content, different genres. So siguro na-confuse na si YouTube kung ano ba talaga yung content ko, and then na-confuse na rin ako kung ano ba talaga yung gusto kong content na ipakita sa channel. Hanggat sa ayun, siguro na nadismaya na ako to create content weekly. Hanggat sa I decided to stop it. I decided to end the content creation. Why? Kasi it takes up most of my time. Takes up much effort din. And hindi ko alam nung time na yun na why am I doing this? So that's one of the reasons, or that's one of the aspects kung bakit nawala ako sa YouTube. Consistency, frequency, and niche. Hindi ko pa talaga siya alam yung time na yun kung paano i-connect tong tatlong to. So, hanggat sa nawala na talaga. Nadismaya na pressure na into building the future for myself, for my, of course, my eventual wife, my eventual family. Kaya ayun, na-stop na talaga siya. But you know, looking at the bright side, after I totally stopped doing YouTube or content creation, I pivoted to a corporate job. After applying for 1,000 jobs, I got into one company. And then, very new sa akin, yung field na yun. I was hired into marketing with the focus on content creation. And noong time na yun, it was a whole new field for me. From doing freelance work na ikaw yung parang kinakausap ng clients. I went to this company na baliktad na. Ako na yung kumakausap sa mga potential partners, no, or brand ambassadors, no, content creators. And one thing na naging edge ko coming into the corporate world was the knowledge that I gained from content creation, the workshops, the seminars, the creators that I met, no, the professionals that I met, no, the friends, the brainstorming sessions with friends, no, yung knowledge na yun, nag-build up lahat, nag-build up lahat, and then yun yung ginamit ko entering to the corporate world. So that's the edge that I had, and up to right now, I'm working in the corporate world, no, in the marketing field, no, focusing on content creation. So kung gusto niyo magpa-consult sa akin, just PM me. So anyway, that's me right now, no. I'm doing a corporate job, corporate marketing, you know, content creation, and then right now. So when I was doing this, no, when I was doing content strategy for different brands, different creators, bigla na lang naiisip ko na lang every time na nakakamiss gumawa ng content for yourself, no, to build your personal brand. And of course, with the knowledge that I've gained from the corporate world, from the freelancing, the content creation, I can now put it together, no, and do siguro go back or make a comeback, no, in social platforms, in social media platforms, starting siguro with YouTube. And yeah, actually, I'm going to try and do this as my comeback video. So yun, sana talaga. I'm not sure what's gonna happen. No, I just wanted to explain talaga to my subscribers what happened, who am I right now, what am I doing, and what are my plans. So yun, I have like plans for social media. I've actually started with TikTok, no? So kung gusto niyo tingnan niyo yung TikTok ko, it's my TikTok handle is Tito Air. So yeah, you can check out my TikTok. It's a different content, different vibe there. And then dito sa YouTube siguro ito ay magiging personal brand, no. I'm not sure if we're going back to the skits for this for this time. I'm going to try to do vlogs. We're going to try to do vlogs to make it more personal. Share siguro insights. Maybe share insights of corporate world. I don't know. For posting times, hindi ko alam. As I've said, no, ano lang to, chani lang natin to as we go along the way. Hindi ko pa rin talaga alam what to do, no. Siguro kung ano lang munang maisip natin, and then from there we'll take a look at it kung ano yung mag-work, and then doon tayo mag-focus. So I hope you guys, no, to my subscribers, I hope na makita nyo to, and then, you know, just give me a quick welcome back, Air, or hey, ang tagal mo na wala, or just leave me a comment down there. And then, you know, I'll hit you up every time may bago tayong posting. And of course, if you're still here at the end of this video, thank you so much, no, for listening to me. It's been really crazy, a crazy year, you know. I've learned so much, and I hope that I can apply it with this new direction that I'm taking here in YouTube. So again, drop a comment, let's reconnect. And next video, I don't know, might be a banger, might be a flop. We'll see. As long as you're here, to my friends, so let's go on this journey together. So yeah, thank you so much, guys. Peace.